YouTube video, Rubik challenge. I will come to the Rubik's Cube in a minute. I'm just I'll just tell you, I'll explain in the next video why I have not been recording in quite a while. Right, and without further ado, let's get to the Rubik's Cube. I completed my mates a couple of days ago. I was so lucky. But then I realised I couldn't do it because I was like 2 blocks off. Yeah. How disappointing. I think he's my new puppy. Ow. Soon I'll be getting a better Rubik's Cube. I almost promise. Almost. They expect me to get one. So annoying. Okay. Right. It was going to be another commentary video today, but in English, of course. No.
Just put them in your bedroom so we know where they are. Oh, look, there's one here.
I'll be doing a new series soon, a Let's Play which hopefully will be successful. And that Let's Play is going to be on FIFA 14. I'm not sure if to do a manager or a player. I think I'll do manager so I can make transfers and that. Yeah, I'll do manager. But then I'll probably do a player career on the other hand. Whatever. I need to get a better camera and I promise this is not going to be broke. I'm going to find a way how to hold my camera to tell it, no matter how much it takes. I'll pile DVDs of anything until I can do individual camera stuff instead of my mates which have rubbish camera holding skills. But I know what I'm going to do actually. I know which players I'm going to sign for. There's 2 particular players. Luis Suarez and Robert Lewandowski. They will get sold halfway through for different players. I'll tell you that now. And I'm going to, because normally I get a right at the start of seasons, I get requests from Manchester United for Vincent Company. That is not going to happen. As you all know, I support the bosses, Manchester City. No offence to my new fans like Sam. The bosses here. Yeah, I'll get on to a different story in a couple of minutes. Soon. As I was saying, I'm not going to sell Vincent Company. Too good. And there's 3 particular defenders I like. And I've got in my normal managerial career. Not Vincent Company. Martin Skrtel plays for Liverpool. Didn't know. Marcelo plays for Real Madrid. And Ashley Cole this for Chelsea. So yeah, the particular defenders. After Robert Lewandowski and Luis Suarez, when they get sold, there will be 4 strikers. If that does work out, you never know. I know you won't believe me, but it's true. I've got Messi in my managerial career, Gareth Bale. Well, these are people up front. Well, when I say left winger, I mean attacking left wingers and wingers and that. Left wing, Gareth Bale. I know you probably don't believe me. Left strike, Messi. Right strike, Karim Benzema. Right strike, and absolutely, well, no offense. Well, right wing, I've got Bobby Wood, but I've trained him. Okay, I've trained him. So we're going to try and aim to get that team, but I might keep Luis Suarez or Robert Lewandowski. Well, I'll tell you some more about that in a couple of seconds. I have, well, I don't get why people say manual struggle. Why they say Man City are rubbish and they'll never lose against Man U. Oh, really? Man City 3rd in the Premier League, Man U's not like 7th. Man City are really doing worse. Oh yeah, and the win for Manchester City against Man U. I forgot what score was it. Manchester Derby. I don't think it was in Premier League, but Man City won it. Yeah, I thought he scored a hat-trick. I think he did. He might have scored 2, but he definitely scored. Yeah, I thought it. Great midfielder, Torrini. The Swedish is really dodgy. Right, well, back to the FIFA career. 2 of my pros that I used to have. Edison Cavani sold into Chelsea. Cristiano Ronaldo going to Barcelona for Messi. Well, I'll tell you something now. When we do get Ronaldo, which will hopefully be soon, it's because I won absolutely loads of matches in the season and I earned absolutely loads of money and I got Ronaldo. Then it took me a couple of seasons to get Messi for Ronaldo. Got higher than the world record fee and I sold Ronaldo to them and that would be a mistake. But Messi, low. And he's got a massive weekly budget. And he's got 20% on goals, which I can't pay anymore. Well, I can, because I'm doing it. But I'd be surprised if I won't be surprised if I get bust. In my playing career, absolute pro called Alan Dixon. You know, Alan Dixon, normal. He will be playing for Manchester City. Ow! Let's try something into Rubik's Cube. I'm not sure how to do something, guys. Make a new channel, tell you to go with it and watch some videos. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to join, well, go on my new channel, which I'm going to be creating, or hopefully I'm going to be, I might not yet. That won't be on my phone, so I can get better camera stuff. Ow! It's alright. Yeah, it doesn't look alright. But I'm not being offensive. Clap. Bruce. Same thing. Well, same thing, going over. And same thing. Let me do, look. Save. Bye.